Hello guys, this is Srivastava and here I am with a new video set on important differentiations. So here in the last lecture we read about social bookmarking, and before to that we read about classified ads, and in this lecture we will try to differentiate between to both of the take off page SEO technique. And in addition to this we will also read about SMO versus social bookmarking, where SMO stands for social media optimization, SMO versus SMM, social media marketing, search engine optimization versus search engine marketing. Let's get started. So we have ads versus social bookmarking. Ads, and here we have social bookmarking. The motive of both the technique is same, that is to create backlinks. Okay, but the approach is different. In this we include the information such as discount that we are currently offering, the content, what differentiate us from the others that could be there. Yes, both of the content will include the keyword that we are promoting, but here it will include something that we are trying to sell the product. But in the case of social bookmarking, we are providing content, a crisp content with a call to action that would be our link to the main page. Okay, for example, I am promoting a content on social bookmarking. So what I will do, I will write a brief about social bookmarking, let's say 1 or 2 liner, and then I will leave my link there. So in this the information is crisp, in this the information is comprehensive, including some discount offers that we are currently offering or something that would attract the user. And in this information is crisp, on the other side it should attract the user. If I'm giving something about social bookmarking, a 1 or 2 liner, it should be something like that the user is forced to click on the link such as to read the entire detail. Okay, so this is about social bookmarking and this is about ads. Okay, let's get started with SMO versus social bookmarking. SMO is altogether different. That is social media optimization, where we use social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter in order to promote our brand, and social bookmarking is to promote your link, okay, to earn a backlink. Here we have communicating with people. Okay, here we do not communicate with people. Here includes sharing information with the that could be image, that could be document, that could be PDF. Here the information shared would be your link and a crisp content. So this is how we can differentiate it. We have a comprehensive content on it on the website as well. You can go through the theoretical material later on this lecture. Then we have SMO versus SMM. SMO is social media optimization, we read earlier. SMM is marketing that optimized content. So social media optimization is this full form. Likewise we have social media marketing. So the purpose here is to create the content, the optimized content. The medium would be Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and the traffic source would be our end user who read that content. Now what happens generally, you create the content, you have a beautiful page, but it is not able to reach to the targeted audience. Here comes the role of social media marketing, where the purpose is to market the optimized content that we have created in SMO. The medium itself could be Facebook, where we something gets an ad link, a sponsored link. That is a social media marketing technique. LinkedIn is also used as a social marketing technique. And traffic source would be those who basically click on that link, and we get our benefit because we get the visitor and result is achieved. And in the last we have SEO versus SEM. SEO stands for search engine optimization, SEM stands for search engine marketing. It is done basically via on page and off page, where we do the website promotion, and off page, on page we use the content optimization. And search engine marketing is achieved through pay-per-click, that is run via Google AdWords. So the purpose here is to get the audience. Medium would be via on page and off page. Traffic source would be the end user which click on our off page promotional link, and maybe they directly visit us via the organic traffic. That would be traffic source, that is Google, Bing, any search engine, or maybe via the promotional approach that we had done under various off-page SEO technique. And here the purpose is to market our website. What generally happens, the SEO take time around 3 to 4 months. and the owner wants result in a quick time. So we switch to SEM, that is search engine marketing. That does not come under pay per click, where we have to pay for every click that we receive on our website. So the purpose is to bring the website a top result in no time. Maybe it comes on the top on the very next day. Depends on how much you are ready to pay. Okay, so the medium would be the Google ads is there. Okay, the Bing ads is there. And the traffic source would be all the search engines. Traffic source. Okay, so here you can easily see between SMO and SMM, where we are optimizing the content on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and we are marketing the content on the same as well. Similarly, on SEO, we are not able to get organic traffic. Then we switch to SEM, such that we should receive some traffic where we have spent a lot of time on doing it on page and off page, and if we are not able to get the end result, then all the efforts are in vain. So we switch to SEM to get some result. So these are the important differentiation that you need to be understood, and this was all about today's lecture. Thank you so much. Looking forward to have your presence in the next lecture.